Hey guys, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in today's video I want to tell you about paid advertising, especially Google AdWords. So in the previous lesson we learned a little bit about what is Google AdWords and what is organic search results in Google. So if you go inside just Google and search for something, let's say in this case I am searching for learn digital marketing, you can see there are some organic search results and you can also see that there are some paid search results. The paid search results usually come with a small yellow square which says that it's an ad, and these are all paid results. So organic results, we don't have any control over it. Google has an algorithm through which they rank the organic results, but there is a lot more control over the paid search results that gets displayed here. Usually the person who is ready to pay more gets the higher ranking. In this case, DSIM.in, Delhi School of Internet Marketing, is ranking number one on the paid search results, which means that they are paying the highest cost per click compared to other advertisers. So you can see Talent Edge, you can see Acad Guild, you can see Digital Vidya. So all these people are paying per click. That's why it's called PPC ads. So what I'm going to do today is that make you get comfortable with Google AdWords and tell you what Google AdWords is. So here I am inside one of my Google AdWords accounts, and here is how the entire Google AdWords interface looks. So this is the most important part of Google, at least for Google, because this generates billions of dollars of revenue every year for Google, and 80% of Google's revenue is from the paid search results, which is coming from Google AdWords. So most of their companies' resources are focused towards making Google AdWords better. So here I will just take you through a tour of Google AdWords. There is a lot of things inside Google AdWords. You need to go through a paid Google AdWords course, which crosses several modules to become an expert in Google AdWords, and you need to become Google AdWords certified by completing the certification if you want to master Google AdWords. But you need to get started somewhere, right? So I will be just going through a tour of this. I have personally been using Google AdWords for the past 5 years for my own projects and my own clients, and for the companies I have worked with, I have spent hundreds of thousands of dollars in Google AdWords alone. So as soon as you log in into Google AdWords, this is the page that you see. If you don't have a Google AdWords account, go ahead and create one. I have already shared some tricks on how to get some free Google AdWords credits for your account. If you are in India, you can get 2,500 rupees free Google AdWords credits. If you are in US, you can get $75 free AdWords credits. So even if you are not advertising anything, just go inside, create a Google AdWords account. Using the free advertising credits, just send some traffic to one of your test websites. This will make you a far better Google AdWords expert than most of the people who have not actually tried Google AdWords. So here we are inside the Google AdWords interface. As soon as we log in, this is what we see. The first thing that you should be doing is that click on Add Campaign. So if you want to create a new campaign, you click on Add Campaign, and here you have different types of campaign that you can run with Google AdWords, right? So you have search network with display select. You have search network only, you have display network only, you have shopping results, you have video, and you have universal app campaign. So I will just explain you what is search network only. If you are advertising in search network only, which means that your ads will be displayed on the search network, just like we see here. It is the ads are being displayed in the search network. If you go for display network, which means that you are going to go ahead and do some display ads on other content websites. If you see shopping website, this is basically shopping results. If you search for something like laptops or microphones, let's say we go ahead and search for laptops. So here you can see there is shopping results. So these ads are called shopping results. Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, and all the e-commerce stores do shopping kind of campaigns. That's what you see here. Video campaign is basically promoting videos on YouTube, and app campaign is basically to promote your app. So if you are advertising on the search network only, which is the most important thing that you need to learn when you get started with Google AdWords, you have to just select on it. Inside you can select the campaign name, you can select the networks, you can select the devices, you can select the target country where you want the ads to appear in. and then you can select the languages. This is basically the interface language of people using Google. And then you have default bid. Let's say you are ready to pay $1 per click. So let me put it as $1, and the budget is $10 per day. So every day you are ready to spend $10 on advertising. And then you have something called ad extensions. So I will show you what ad extension is. For example, if you see this particular ad, you can see there are extra links on this ad. These are called ad extensions, and this is specifically an ad extension called site links. So here you have site links. So extend my ads with links to sections on my site. That's what you see here. If you have call extensions, you can put a number here. So this is a call extension. People can look at it and call you directly. Or if you are running mobile search ads, then there is an option just to run a call campaign where people just click on the call button using their mobile, and a call is triggered using their mobile directly. So once you click on save and continue, the next level is that the account level is the top level, and then you have campaign level. Once you create a campaign, in the campaign level you will be able to set the daily budget, and you will be able to set the targeting where you want to show the ads. For example, if you want to show the ads only in Bangalore, that is also possible. So here you can create different ad groups, and ad groups are basically different sets of ads. Like if you have 5 major products, let's say Flipkart is advertising, and Flipkart has 5 major products, let's say books, laptops, tablets, computers, and let's say headphones. So each ad group will be for a specific product. And for each product you will have an ad group. Inside each ad group you will have several related similar ads, right? So that's what an ad group is. And eventually once you start creating these ads, you will learn more about it. So let's say I'm just putting it as learn digital marketing is the keyword here. So what I am mentioning Google is that if someone is searching for learn digital marketing, my site should come up. And let's say my landing page is learndigitalmarketing.com. So once I put my landing page, you can see that Google is scanning my landing page, and Google is giving me more keyword ideas, because Google wants me to add more keywords and eventually spend more on AdWords. So let's say there are 6 keywords here about learn digital marketing. So this is from the Google database based on what people have searched for. Google is showing me an estimate of how many people are searching for this particular keyword. So it says 140 people are searching for this particular keyword every month, but this is just for a very specific match here. There will be lots of alternatives that people are searching for as well. So you can see that this particular ad group has been added. Again, the bidding is there. You see a lot of keywords here, and then you can continue to ads. So here is where you actually write the ads. I'm sorry about the background noise, can't do anything about it. So here you put the final URL, here you put the ad title, you put the ad description, and you put the display URL. Let's say the headline is learn digital marketing. So here you will be able to see the preview of the ad that is displayed on Google, and you can see that this is how the ad appears on Google, right? You have a blue color link, then you have a green colored link, and then you have the description which is in black. And then once you just click on review campaign, the campaign setup will be finished, and once it is finished, your ads will start running, and your campaign will be displayed on the home page in the campaigns tab. So you have to go inside campaigns, and let's say I cancel this campaign because I don't want to create a campaign right now. And here you can see we have budget, we have targeting, and inside we have ad groups, and inside ad groups we have keywords, we have negative keywords, search terms. So all this will be covered in a more advanced Google training course, but right now this video just gives you an idea about what happens in the backend when someone is advertising on Google. So if you have any questions, leave a comments below. My future video lessons will be based on your questions. In the next lesson, I will show you a little bit about Twitter advertising, and then we will learn a little bit about Facebook advertising as well. And in the future lessons, in specific modules of Google AdWords, Facebook and Twitter, we will be learning a lot more in-depth tutorials on how to optimize your campaigns and how to get the best results out of your paid marketing campaigns. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.